Okay guys, I'm back with another video. With another one. We're gonna do how to pick a lock. Well, you guys know these are very hard to get on them out of. See if I just demonstrate here. Put these on. I know you're supposed to put them behind your back. Here, I'll just do that. Yep, guys. Very hard to get out of. You cannot get out of these. If you get arrested, not get out. This, if you guys do this and you guys are in jail, it's not my fault. It's on you guys. It's on you guys. I'm sorry, but still, I cannot afford to go to jail. Well, you guys know they're very hard to get out of. Where are the keys at? Okay, I unlocked it with the keys. You could use 3 things, or you could use 2 things. You could use these hair things that girls use to put in their hair, or you could use a smaller one. I say the bigger ones work better because they're longer and they can get in there and they can pick it. And then, but the smaller ones are more, they break sometimes. Or you could use this. This, if I were to go, what would go? I think this would go first place. This would go second, and this would go third place. If I were to vote on them. Well, guys, let's get this video started. You gonna be in the video? I don't think so, guys. Just because I need to use my hands. Okay, I'm gonna need put these things on. So if I just put them in here.
So just put them on.
Yep. So guys, let me demonstrate real quick. It goes like that. Cannot break these.
I could.
Don't try to.
Watch me.
No, don't you try.
Watch.
I want to mess them up for the video. First, we're going to start out with the most easiest thing to pick a lock with. So this right here.
Can I try? After you.
Hold up. So you just, guys, you're going to put it in. Insert it right here. Then you're going to go down with it. Monte, hold your finger on here.
I don't know.
See, guys? And then pull it on the rest. Okay. So you're just going to stick it. And then...
Oh, no, let me
switch it around. But you just pull it. Okay.
There we go.
Like that.
And we prefer the little ones work better.
No. The big ones work better.
Here, let me try this. Put it on me. I'm going to try to
No. Okay, guys. No, you guys have the lock right here. We're not going to use the keys. See, you guys would put it in here.
I'm going to try.
Then you would stick it to the back. And then you would push it. And then pull that. Come on. Just to show you guys I'm not, like, messing around with you guys. This is locked.
But the more stronger do I do it?
No, because you're going to try to rip them.
Isn't that the whole point?
No. The whole point is unlocking it. These are real metal. These are real. And just there.
Now we're gonna try this.
See that?
You got to do
No,
this.
no.
This one ain't gonna work.
Yes, it will.
You sure? Yep.
Wait, guys, never mind. These do not work. Do not use these. These work better. Okay. Let me demonstrate. I'll put this on. This is how to get out. You go to the back, push down. See, guys? Then you could just, or you could do it like this. Slip out. Easy as that. That's one way. Then we put them on like someone would actually arrest you. On. So pretend you got handcuffs. Take one of these. Let me put the other one on. So you guys just have to get it on real quick. Okay. So you guys have like that. Cannot get out. You guys cannot get out. So you're just gonna take one of these. And make sure if you do get in jail, make sure your inmate don't like yell to the guard. I don't have long hands. Okay, this is going to suck. Okay. Come on. I did it. Okay, guys. And then once you have one hand done, set the other one. What's going on in here? I'm trying to pick a lock. Oh, shoot. You guys, do not get it stuck in the...
So do you want to say this? Why can't you still do this? I think this right there.
Okay. Almost done. I'm going to try this for the one. Okay. Okay, guys, they're both off.
No shooting people.
Both off.
Okay.
Okay. As you guys can see. Ow!
Hey.
My tablet. I have my tablet. I don't have my tablet. I have my tablet. I have my tablet. Okay.
Boys,
Help me, Brandon.
don't be stupid.
I got it. Help me, Brandon. He has me. Shoot Brandon. Shoot him. Get the hit, man. I can do anything better than you. Better than you. I can't lie.
You know what?
I can do anything better than you. Better than you. Let's go. Ah, you shot me. You're supposed to shoot him, not me.
Okay, guys, a little disturbance, but it's still going. So, Yes.
How many views do you get on this?
My first video was on New Year's.
No. If next person that shoots someone, you're grounded.
Okay.
If you shoot me, you're gonna be grounded. Brandon Lee.
Easy. Okay, guys, and that is how you pick a lock.